Welcome. In front of me is the OPPO Find X8 Pro, and today I will show you how we can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, we're gonna swipe down from the top of the screen twice, which will extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the hotspot toggle. Now for me that is located... Oh, there we go, right over here. Once you find it, first time around I recommend holding it. This will quickly take you to the settings. Now the reason you want to navigate here is because under hotspot settings, you want to click on that, you will find a randomly generated password. I recommend getting rid of it and then setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. It can be letters or numbers or both, it doesn't really matter. And that's really the only thing I recommend changing here. You can go over other options in here and customize them to fit your needs, but by default the hotspot is set in a way that will work with the widest array of the devices. So if you don't know what these do, keep it as it is. This will be the best option for you. Now once you have changed whatever you want, make sure you click on save. Unlike other devices, here you do need to manually save before you close it. And now find the toggle once more. Let me just bring back the brightness. So find the toggle once more, and this time around just simply tap on it. This will enable it, and now you can connect to your hotspot with other devices. Once you're done with it, you can tap on the toggle once again, and this will turn it off. And you do want to probably remember about it, as hotspot will consume more of your phone's battery. So if you're not using it, there is really no reason for it to be running in the background. But with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.